The Russian verb болеть can mean different things based on how it's used in a sentence. First, болеть can mean to be sick. For example, я болею гриппом. I have the flu. Here, болеть is used to describe the state of being sick. Next, болеть can also mean to hurt or to ache when talking about physical pain. For example, у меня болит голова. I have a headache. Lastly, болеть can mean to support or to be a fan of when talking about cheering for a sport team or a cause. For example, я болею за нашу команду. I support our team. And there you have it. You've learned the various meanings of the verb болеть. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more language tips. Thank you.